Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mousetrap Genius. You know, one of the most popular videos that we did in the past year was a review of the Brilliant Evolution wireless LED puck light, which is a light that you can very easily install under a cabinet in your kitchen or bathroom or anywhere else to add functional lighting and a really nice ambiance to the room. So some of you will probably be excited to find out that Brilliant Evolution recently came out with a new product, and that is another wireless LED puck light, but this one is color changing. So whereas with the original puck light, it was just a nice white, soft ambient light, this one can actually change colors and can cycle through quite a few. It's battery powered, just like the other ones, and 55 lumens, just like the other ones. There are a few very slight design changes. This one is a little bit more slender, and the lights are a little bit closer together inside of it, but otherwise it basically looks and is installed about the same. You can adjust it by tapping, just like that, or they actually give you two remotes with this one. They do exactly the same things in case you lose one, or it's convenient if you have like two entrances to a room. I guess you might want to put one remote at one entrance and one at the other. The remotes have some similar features. You get obviously an on and an off button, and then buttons to adjust the brightness or automatic 50% or 100% brightness. And you also have timer controls. You can set it for 30 or 60 minutes, which after that the light will just automatically go off, which is a nice feature as these are battery powered. So even though they're LEDs, they're super efficient and they'll last for a long time. It's nice to have a feature that will make it last even longer, which is the automatic timer. Then though, we get into the differences. There are 4 different color buttons. One is for white or natural light, then there's one for red, one for blue, and one for green, and these just take it directly to those colors. Where it gets interesting though is there is a fade button on here, and when you press that one, it actually causes it to cycle through a whole spectrum of colors. And then what's cool there is there's this set button right next to it. So when you get to a color you like say this kind of purple or violet color, you can just press set and it will stay right there for as long as you keep the light on. So super cool product if you're looking for something to spice up one or multiple rooms in your house. They're really easy to install, just like the original Brilliant Evolution, and you can even use them the same as the Brilliant Evolution as just kind of a nice little accent or ambient light with natural white light. But then with just the click of a remote, you can cycle through a wide spectrum of colors and select the one that you want. Or if you're feeling crazy or you're having a party or something, you could just let it keep on cycling and changing for as long as you keep it on. Super impressed with the quality of this product so far, and I look forward to using it a lot in the future. One thing I will mention, and this is something that is not going to affect 99% of people, but the mounting bracket on this one, because like I mentioned before, the design is a little bit different than the original Brilliant Evolution. The mounting bracket from the old one does not seem to fit onto this one. I tried it a few times. So if you're like doing what I was doing and trying to install one of these in exactly the same place that you had the original Brilliant Evolution, probably you're going to need to install the new mounting bracket. That's not a big deal, but I just thought I'd mention that in case somebody had the question. So terrific product. Highly recommend these guys. I will post the link to where you can buy these on Amazon down in the video description. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd be honored if you used our link. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Mousetrap Genius for more great videos. And until next time, hope you guys have an awesome day.